In this exercise, we will learn the zoom tool. Basically, it is used to zoom in and zoom out to view images in a better way. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If we move our arrow on the tools, here we can see the zoom tool. We have Z as our shortcut key to select this tool. Okay, let's check this out. If I click and press on the image, we can see it is zoomed in. And if I press and hold the Alt key and click and press it, it is now zoomed out. We have another way. We can press and hold the Control key and press plus sign to zoom in and press minus sign to zoom out. Okay, now we also have scrubby zoom option. If I check this mark on and I choose zoom tool by pressing the Z key, then I click and drag my mouse from left to right, then it is zoomed in. And if I move from the right side to the left side, it is now zoomed out. And this is a very nice tool to view images. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the type tool.